Guys, we're very excited today. You know what I'm gonna do today? I'm in the mood for samsa.
Yes.
Samsa, you call this
Yes.
thing?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna do this thing with 3 different kind of meat inside. So what we're gonna put inside is gonna be meat, and it's gonna be lamb and chicken. Drumsticks, I already took it out of the bone, and onion. And we're gonna cook it in the Kazan. So let's start. It's going to be delicious. It's very exciting. I'm very excited to eat that. I'm gonna put 2 large onion for the amount that I'm cooking right now. My onion is chopped. So I'm using for beef pepper steak. I'm gonna cube them. That's gonna be 1 out of the 3 type of meat that I'm using. Okay, the beef is chopped. We're gonna cut the lamb. Alright, I cubed the lamb. We're gonna add it to the mixture. Now we're gonna cube the chicken drumsticks. Okay, make them also cubes. One of the reasons I use chicken drumstick because they're a little bit more moist from the chicken breast. So I like this one better. So you should try this instead of breast. Okay. The chicken are chopped. Okay, in samsa you need fat, so we're gonna do lamb fat. Okay, now I'm gonna add the lamb fat inside the mixture, inside our mixture. Salt, and then I'm gonna taste it. Black pepper, I like black pepper a little bit more on this, so approximately this much. And whole cumin. You gotta break it. And now we're gonna mix everything. This is gonna be one delicious samsa. Alright, so as a puff pastry for this samsa, you can do it by yourself, but I decided to use this company. I'm very happy with it. It comes out amazing, tastes amazing. So we're gonna use this one, and I'll show you how I open everything. Alright, so they come square. So what I'm gonna do right now is open them up a little bit. Okay, because I need them to be round. So I'm gonna open them up a little bit. And I'm sure in my previous video you saw it. Put this round ball right on top of it, okay? And cut the edges. That's good to go. And I can use all the leftovers to make another one, okay? See, perfect. So you gotta put the mixture right in the middle and you close it like that. Alright, over here we're gonna put the pot right now to get nice and hot before we're gonna put our samsa inside. My samsa is ready, so what we have to do is take eggs. Yellow is separate and the white is separate, okay? Tell you what we're gonna do with the white if you don't know yet. The yellow one we're gonna mix, we're gonna put on top. Dave, are you excited?
Very.
You know, last time when I cooked 3 different ways with egg and chicken and potatoes. Was 3 different samsa. And my wife, by the time she came home, me and Polina finished the lamb and the beef, right?
And the chicken.
Oh, and the chicken, sorry. She only eat with the meat, so...
No, I only had egg.
Oh, she only had egg, so hopefully this time she's gonna eat this.
You snooze, you lose.
The 3 different mixture with the lamb, beef, and chicken. I'm excited myself to try it.
I'm curious.
Yeah, it's gonna taste amazing. Trust me, it's gonna taste good. And you have lamb fat. Okay, so now we're gonna put on top of this thing everything seasoning. Definitely try this thing. It is amazing. So we're gonna put it on top. Look how good it looks. Look how good it looks. Now I'm gonna mix the egg white, and then we're gonna use it to put our samsa inside the Kazan. Okay, so we take one of our samsa and put an egg white a little bit. That's considered the crazy glue, and you just pour it in the pot and make sure the pot is hot, and you press it a little bit and it's gonna get stuck. Okay. So now we're gonna close it for 30 minutes. under this type of fire. 30 minutes passed by. Now time to flip. Oh, looking good.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Now I'm gonna flip it.
Moment of truth.
So we're gonna have to leave it like this for another 5 minutes. It's ready. Oh, now we're gonna flip it back. Oh my god, looking so good. My samsa. Look how pretty they look. One of them exploded right there, but every time when you do it, one has to explode. This is known already. So let's take them out, and then we're gonna do testing on them. Oh man, they look good. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this thing. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. My wife gonna get to eat them fresh right now. Last time she didn't.
Yes.
Oh
I'm
my
super
God.
excited.
Yeah, me too. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. I'm gonna eat all of them by myself.
So we're gonna do the testing. You wanna go for one?
Ooh, yes. I know exactly which one I want to try. This one. Nice and puffy one.
Okay, I'm gonna try this one. Look at that. Look how beautiful it looks. Now don't forget, this is a 3 different kind of there is a lamb inside, there's a fat lamb, there is a beef, and there is a chicken inside. Okay, so I'm gonna be tasting it for the first time. I just came out with this idea yesterday. I told to my wife, she approved it. We're gonna try it and see how is it. Okay, we tell you if it's good or bad. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Guys, I just went to heaven and I came back.
whoa.
Wait, I like to
Look
go
at that.
back. I like to go back to heaven again. Hold on. Oh my god.
I made the Armenian ajika, and I have it on my reels on
Really?
our Instagram and on our Facebook. I posted as well. So if you guys want to see the recipe, you can always check them out there. So I'm gonna pour it a little bit.
This happened to be one of the most delicious thing. I know I say this thing all the time and it sounds a little bit weird. One of the most delicious thing I have ever eaten.
Okay, let me try with the ajika.
Oh my god. So I'm gonna try with my wife's ajika right now. Amazing. You do have a gold hand. That's why we have jewelry store, remember? Guys, we want to say to you, this time we're going to say to you L'chaim, because one of the people who watches the video said, not salute L'chaim, so I want to say L'chaim, especially for that girl. L'chaim, guys, it was pleasure being with you. Another successful food. Try this recipe at home. If you don't have a Kazan, just do it inside the oven and finish it off while I'm eating.
Yes, by saying that thank you guys so much for watching, and this concludes our recipe video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified when we post our recipe videos. And also please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, if you like this recipe, and share it with your friends. We would really appreciate it.
And guys, I hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you next time. And L'chaim, guys.
Salute.
Take care.
Cheers.